Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how to make this nice, good chili cornbread. Delicious, easy to do. Follow along with me and I'll show you how I did it. Okay, we're going to turn on the thing. I'm just going to grind up this meat. Okay, we're going to salt and pepper this real quick. Okay, I'm going to put 1 can of Wolf brand chili, my favorite type of chili. And okay, I just want to mix this really good together. I'm going to add another can into this. Okay, I want to add a little bit of cheese in it. I got some mozzarella cheese right here. And I just want to add this into it. Give it 2 cups of cornmeal, all-purpose, self-rising cornmeal, 2 eggs, half a stick of butter, 1.5 cups of milk. I want 2 tablespoons of canola oil, and then just gonna mix this very good together. Not splash it, just start out slow until you get everything in our batter. Okay, now we got the cornbread finished here. We're going to cut us a slice of it. First, let's cut some good. And then I want to crumble these inside the bowl like that. A little bit of chili to go on top as well. Okay, well, we're going to do a taste test on this. Oh my God. That is good. That is very good. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you do subscribe, hit that bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos. And y'all have a blessing day. Thank you.